Hi everyone, myself Jamboy Nareng. So today I'm back with another topic, which is from the chemistry part. So I made this video especially for the class 10 science student. So in this video, I will try to make you understand how to balance the chemical equation. Now, first let us know what is chemical equation. Chemical equation. It is a representation of chemical reaction in the form of formulas and symbols. So, in the chemical equation, we have reactant and the product. Reactants that are taking place in the chemical reaction in order to form new product. So, all these things like reactant and the product all together called chemical equation. Now, let us understand what is balanced chemical equation. Actually, balanced chemical equation, it is the balancing of atomic number in reactant and the product. Balanced chemical equation ko masinas kang chemical equation ko ni china. Micro chemical equation mga chemical equation rong jok chemical reaction ko symbol aro formula rang chi mesok bakon chemical equation yakana ya chemical equation no reactant aro product donga reactant rong jok substance rang jian product kong atinga substance non dengtang substance rang jekai carbon nitrogen oxygen yak barang ma kana react ongen mix ongemang ketal substance kongen product nya kana kon yagam kon chemical equation yakana daude balanced chemical equation micro balanced chemical equation yakana balanced chemical equation rong jok reactant aro product ko atomic number ko option ke balance kai matga bakon balanced chemical equation ne agana pangbata chemical equation no chemical equation balance ongja chekon unbalanced ne agana reactant no ba dengtang aro product oba tengtang ya dikita kabarangkon unbalanced chemical equation yakana daude ya topic ko anchang ya unbalanced chemical equation ko maidke balance kana nangen uko angan sungna angi managata talatangna joton kagen. Alright, now let's begin our main session. As you can see on the board written balanced chemical equation. As I have told you earlier, what is chemical equation? What is balanced chemical equation? This type of representation which you can see on the board, which we call chemical equation. In the chemical equation we have reactant and product. This representation we call chemical equation. So now balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation era J chemical equation no reactant or product ni atomic number same ongna nangen ba equal ongna nangen wa dakapa chemical equation kon balanced chemical equation yakana. Now let us find out whether this equation is balanced chemical equation or not. Pada ba student dang masingen ba masijanggen ya element ba atom ni zaman manigaman bracket S ya L S G ni sia ya S tarong jok solid khamuk songa jen iron ara solid substance songa H2O yan liquid substance songa iron oxide yan solid substance H2 hydrogen yan gas songa. Alright, sekarang ba balance chemical equation ko balance kachengon element ko sir acheng na sekarang ba element yan iron, and after that we have another element hydrogen and oxygen Fe, and then hydrogen here and oxygen. So element ko siya ni jamano atomic number ko sende sanjang genok ya iron mo ya iron ni atomic number patike donga yara iron ki sa uni gaman ki sa sikinok hydrogen ya hydrogen no petage atomic number donga H2 ki gini atomic number donga uni gaman 2 salginok uni zaman oxygen petage donga ki sa oxygen ki sa taude product ni kunina iron no petage atomic number donga ki gatham ya ki hydrogen no ki gani oxygen ki every. Now let us compare reactant and the products whether their atomic numbers are balanced or not. Iron 1, iron 3, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1, oxygen 4. Taudi ako balance kanan ngan. Iron 1 reactant no 1 product o 3. Taudi makin na ya iron ko de ya mag 3 mang miliat na kata 3g into kanan ganok 3 2 3 ang ganok ya 3 takamang 3 ko ina sa ganok ya 3 iron ya ba 3 iron ang ganok iron de melijok left hand side right hand side. Now let us see hydrogen ya 2 hydrogen de balance ongya uni gaman ni khode mamu batak nang jwa. Now let us see oxygen on the left side we have 1 and on the right side 4 yara 4 yara 1 uni gaman makinak na oxygen no atomic number ko increase kana kata 4 chi multiply ka ganok 1 into 4 jok yaba 4 oxygen bana donga yana donga uni gaman no oxygen ko 4 sekinok hede 4 aniba tasidi no hydrogen 2 acham inaba 2 diba chen salo oxygen ko miliat na balance kam dung sumayo 4 ko 8 ka ani gaman hydrogen ni atomic number change ogenok tasira 2 taude 4 into 2 8 ong sagenok 8 4 into 2 8 ong skajok taude yachi 2 ya 2 ko 8 ong atna kata de into ka skana genok 4 chi 4 into 2 ka ode 8 ong gen 4 ko where is hydrogen yano 4 segenok 4 into 2 de 8 ya 3 hydrogen ba 8 oxygen ba 4 ya chiba 4. That means our chemical equation is now balanced properly.